I want to officially thank all the political appointees and office holders who are doing immensely to help the masses. My special thanks go to Alex Oti, Governor Mba of Enugu State, and even the Minister of Abuja, Wike. The special award goes to the Demolition Governor of the Year, Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State. I thank you for the 1-year demolition process that you have gone through. It's not easy even to close mind and do what you are doing in the face of the tribal issues going on in Nigeria. You intensify it. Like I have said, road is not a problem. It's not something that somebody should be using as an achievement. Buhari finished his 8 years. The only Niger bridge that credited to him. The only good thing to me Buhari did is signing the electricity bill. But today, nobody has taken advantage of it. I pray for my Lesotho. You don't need to start saying, this is what we have achieved. Results is evidence. Man U is number 8 in the Premier League, but Man U won an FA Cup. The cup is an evidence. Everybody know that Lesotho has achieved in the last 1 year. Tell me one thing that your president has achieved. I've been at his confused Minister of Works, who doesn't even know what to do in the so-called mega coastal road. Look at it now. 700 and manufacturing company closed down in 1 year in 2023-2024. UNESCO reported there are more dropout students in the last 1 year. Why? Student loan, not ability to pay school fees. They can't even pay their transport to school. And yet there's no job anywhere for them to do to survive. Why won't crime increase in the society? I've said it time without numbers. Politicians are not to blame. We are the problem. Politician does not exist without judiciary. Politician does not exist without the police. Politicians cannot even be in power without the INEC. These are the 3 problems of Nigeria. In my radio program in 2019, before the election, I said it again that corruption is not a Nigerian problem. The problem is that Amumude corrupts. How can you steal money and bury it on the ground? If even at 1 billion you steal, you invest 500 million, you would have put people, even in a foreign country, even in Dubai, there's a corrupt system. But Amumude corrupt, that is the problem. If everybody will be utilizing what they even steal to invest back into the society, there won't be much unemployment. Money will be lying fallow and nobody is using it. But yet when you are saying this thing, the Mumu people who are not benefiting from this position will be clapping hands for them, saying they are doing well. They are happy that their brother is stealing even when they are going hungry. That is where the problem starts from. I've been at INEC who go talk about. That office has done more damages than the devil in this country. Since 1960, go and check it now. It was written that 1960 election was also rigged. INEC has been a major problem in this country. They are the one deciding whether a tout, a thief, a certificate forger, a criminal will rule this country. They are the one appointing the evils. That's why I don't regard any professor. Professors are the one they are using in the name of INEC officials to rig election, to appoint idiots to rule the country. Then the learned colleagues with black and white are now becoming, they say the law is blind. No, justice is no more blind. It don't open eye. They cannot see clear. Nigerian security officials, whether army or police, Nigerian INEC, Nigerian Judiciary, these are our problem. In the last 1 year, it is evident that if these people in their own position has done the right thing, but we have done 1 year, hunger is still killing Nigerians. Nigerians cannot afford food. Nigerians cannot pay transport fare. Nigeria does not have light. The one they have, they pay high. Nigeria does not have security. Nigeria does not have job.